struggling with IT issues? Zion offers comprehensive 24/7 IT support and solutions. Welcome to Zion. We provide top-tier IT support, equipment sales, rentals, and recycling. Our support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. We're always here when you need us, ensuring quick resolution times for all your IT incidents. Zion is committed to providing sustainable IT solutions and practices. We emphasize eco-friendly practices to reduce environmental impact. From sales to rentals and recycling, we offer a full range of equipment services. Need new equipment? We offer sales and rental options to fit your needs. We also handle the responsible recycling of your old IT equipment. Zion specializes in AI, IoT, and hybrid cloud solutions. Leverage the power of artificial intelligence with our advanced solutions. Seamlessly integrate IoT devices into your IT infrastructure. Our hybrid cloud expertise helps you manage and optimize your cloud environment. Partner with Zion to optimize IT operations and reduce downtime. Let us help you streamline your IT and focus on what matters most.